So now, in order to actually create another package, just click on this src folder and then click on File, New, and then click on Package. So for the package name, we need a reverse domain here. So just type in here com.yourname.custom package. Okay, and then click on Finish. So as you can see here, our package is now created. So now I want to create another class and put that class inside this package. So just click on this package and then click on File, New, and then click on Class. So for the class name, just type in here custom class. Okay, and for the modifiers, choose public, and here check this checkbox here, public static void main method, and then click on Finish. So as you can see here, our class is now created. So now I want to actually create an object from this dog class. Okay, so first I need to refer to the name of my class, dog, and then I need to give my object a name, for example, dog1, and then I put an assignment operator here, and then I use this keyword here, new, and then I refer to the name of my class, dog, and I actually put a pair of round brackets after my class name. Okay, and then I need to put in a semicolon at the end of my statement. So as you can see here, it's now showing us an error. Okay, so let's hover over the error area and see what's the error. So as you can see here, dog cannot be resolved to a type, and this means this class doesn't recognize this dog.java class. Okay, it doesn't recognize this class. Okay, so what's the problem? The problem is this custom class.java is inside this package. Okay, and this dog class is inside this package, and this class cannot refer to the name of this class in order to create objects. In other words, this class doesn't recognize this class, okay, inside this package. So in order to actually allow this class, this custom class.java, to create objects from this dog.java class, we need to import the address of this dog.java class or the address of this package to this custom class.java in order to actually access those classes. Okay, so if you, for example, import the address of this package inside this class, we can actually use all of the classes inside this package. Okay, but if you only actually import the address of this class to this package, you can only actually use this class inside your custom class.java. Okay, so I prefer for now to actually import the address of this package to this class. Okay, inside your custom class.java, and before the class creation, type in here import, okay, com.morteza.getters and setters. So as you can see here, we managed to successfully import the address of this package to our custom class.java. Okay, this class is inside of this package. Okay, com.morteza.custom package. Okay, and now as you can see, the error is gone. Okay, so we can actually access all of the classes that is inside of this package. Okay, so now I want to actually access the speed instance variable of this dog1 object. Okay, and then I want to output that value to the console. So I just need to type in here system.out.println, and then inside the parentheses I need to refer to the name of my object, dog1 dot get speed, and then I need to put in a semicolon at the end of my statement. So as you can see here, it's now showing us an error. So let's actually hover over the error area and see what's the error. The method getSpeed from the type dog is not visible. So as you can see here, we cannot refer to the getSpeed method of this object from this class. Okay, so what's the problem? So let's go inside the dog.java file. As you can see here, in this class, this method uses the package as its access modifier. The access modifier of this method is package, and package means that this method is only visible to the whole package. And it means that this method is only visible to the classes of this package, not classes in another package. So in order to solve this problem, we need to use another access modifier, public. So public means visible to the whole world, okay? And as you can see here inside the custom class.java, now the error is gone, okay? And I managed to successfully access this getSpeed method. And now I can actually output that value to the console. So now if I want to run the codes inside this method, inside the main method of this custom class, I just need to right click on this class and then click on run as Java application. So as you can see here, this value is the value of the speed instance variable of this object, okay? And the value of the speed instance variable is 70, okay? So that's it. That's how you can actually access the instance variables of another class inside another package, okay? As you can see here, this is public, okay? The public access modifier means visible to the whole world. And when you use the public access modifier on a method or on a variable, that method or variable is going to be visible to all the Java files of that project, okay? So the next access modifier, which is very important, is private. So remember that inside the main.java class, I could successfully access the instance variables of this myFirstDog object directly, okay? And this is the code that proves that I can directly access the speed instance variable directly, okay? So now let me actually delete this line of code here. In order not to allow any other classes other than this dog class to access its instance variables directly, we need to use another access modifier, which is private. So now let's go inside the main.java class. So as you can see here, it's now showing us an error, okay? So as you can see here, this class doesn't recognize this speed instance variable no longer, okay? So we cannot actually access this speed instance variable directly because we used this private access modifier. And this access modifier private means that this variable is only visible inside of this class, okay, inside of this Java file, okay? And we cannot use this instance variable from any places other than this class, okay? This instance variable is private. So in order to actually access the value of the speed instance variable, we must use this getter method, okay, getSpeed. So now if I want to actually correct this error, I just need to delete this speed instance variable, and then I need to refer to the name of my getSpeed method. So now I can actually access the value of that speed instance variable. So now if I run my project, as you can see, the value of this speed instance variable is 70, okay? So that's how you can actually use the access modifiers in your codes, okay? We've got another access modifier in Java, which I'll tell you more about in the next tutorials, okay? Now I want to actually tell you another important point about running our Java projects, okay? So now if I actually right click on this getters and setters project, as you can see here, and then click on run as, and then click on Java application. So as you can see here, it's now showing us this window here, okay? And here it says matching items, main-com.morteza.getters and setters, workspace matches, custom class-com.morteza.custom package. So as you can see here, because we've got two main methods inside of these classes, the main class and the custom class, it's now asking us to determine which one of the classes we want to run. So if I actually click on this option here, it's gonna actually run the codes inside the main method that is inside the main class, okay? As you can see here. But if I actually choose this option here, it's gonna actually run the codes inside the main method inside the custom class.java, okay? So here I can actually choose which one of these classes I want to run, okay? So if I actually choose this option and then click on OK, it's gonna actually execute the codes inside of the main method of this main class, okay?